All right, hey Josh, Attica Lumber. Check this one out here, 30 by 40, 612 pitch here. You can see what's going on right here. You can see a hip roof porch that we're getting done right here, coming off the building and so forth. And then also we're gonna do hip style porch right off the overhead door. You can see how it's set up for that as well. You can see how that is set up. Let me see if you can show that. But what it's gonna, and we'll probably come back to show you kind of a little bit more detail on this, but you can see how that is. And then also the AZAC trim getting set up right here. A little bit different touch versus your traditional steel. But you can see here we got a former, where are you NBA fans out there? Got a hoopster here, youngster. That's why the building here is fairly tall and so forth. I mean, obviously there's different ways to construct this, but this is what the customer wanted to get done here as far as this. That's why the height here in this residential neighborhood, but definitely can put a basketball hoop in here and shoot and so forth. But and again, 2x4 sidewall girts. Again, this is up in actually Wood County, Ohio. Wood County, Ohio. And you can see right here, per zoning restrictions, 2x4 sidewall bracing. And then if you've been following along on a number of our videos, you know, we do 2x6 as well. And you can see the double top beam header right there on this building with the uplifts being applied. And then the vapor barrier as well, again, to keep the condensation down. So you can see here the vision that this person has here. Have a young, maybe LeBron James in the making here. So again, for more information, you can visit atticalumber.com, or you can call us 49426-BARN. And if you like the video, leave us a like. If not, leave us a dislike. We love your feedback. Till the next video, keep it locked, loaded right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.